it's time to spoil myself before I buy. Let me because the customer is a king.
I want to do some.
This one.
This is 7,200.
I'm going to spoil myself. I'm spoiling myself. Oh my god, please take me to the till. Full body. Hi. How are you?
I'm Angelina.
Yes. Oh my god, I'm so tired. You know, it was such an experience spoiling myself. And then I said, let me go for massage and make my body relax before I go and sleep. And tomorrow I'm traveling to Australia. Guess what I saw? I saw Mangwanani Spa, and I'm like, oh my god, is this a Zimbabwean owned spa? Wow, Zimbabweans are doing good in foreign countries. This is really amazing. So that's me. That's me. Now going to the waiting area, waiting for my massage. So tomorrow I travel solo because I really needed it, to be honest. I really needed Hey, Chirungu. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. See you in Australia.